Students, so let us now check the revision of Chapter 2 Nouns and its subtopics. So we have learned that noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. There are 4 kinds of nouns. Common noun. Common noun is the name of a person, place or thing commonly found. Proper noun. Proper noun is the name of a particular or specific person, place or thing. Collective noun. Group or a collection of persons, animals or things is called as a collective noun. Abstract noun that cannot be perceived through the 5 sense organs like touch, hear, smell, taste or see. You only can feel them. Yes? So, shall we do an exercise for better understanding? Now here, he has given us identify the kind of noun of the underlined word. Now, the first sentence, always speak the truth. Now here, truth is the word underlined. Now here, truth can't be perceived by our 5 sense organs. You can only feel it. So what is it? It's an abstract noun. We saw a fleet of ships in the harbor. So here, fleet is the word underlined. And when it is talking about a group or a collection of ships, what is it called? It is a collective noun. London is on the river Thames. London is the name of a particular place and Thames is the name of a particular river. So when we talk about a particular person, place or thing, it is a proper noun. Yes, the lion is the king of bees. Here lion, king and bees are underlined and they are commonly found. So they are common nouns. Julie is my younger sister. Now here, Julie is the name of a particular girl. Yes, so it is a proper noun. And sister. Yes, I have a sister, you have sister, we all have sisters. Sister is a word that is like it's commonly found. So it's a common noun. Yes, children, I hope you understood how to identify the kind of noun. Now let's go to the next concept. We will talk about the collective nouns in detail. Yes, so what is a collective noun? A collective noun is the name given to a group or collection of people, animals or things. Now we will do this worksheet. We will know more better how to use a collective noun. A dash of grapes was hanging from the vine. So if many grapes are there, what you say? A bunch of grapes. The dash of singers sang melodiously. Now here, if a group of singers are there, what do you use? What kind of collective noun do you use? A choir of singers. A dash of stairs led to the terrace. So, what is it? A flight of stairs led to the terrace. So the collective noun for stairs is flight. We spotted a dash of lines in the safari. If you see many lines or a group of lines together, what do you use? A pride of lines. A dash of bees forced us to take shelter in the cave. Yes, if there are many bees, what do you say? A swarm of bees forced us to take shelter in the cave. Yes, hope I am clear with collective nouns too. Now let's go to the next concept. Singular and plural nouns. In the word singular itself, we can understand that we refer to nouns that refer to one person, animal, thing or idea are called as singular nouns. And Plural nouns, of course, nouns that refers to more than one person, place, animal, thing or idea are called plural nouns. Now, shall we change these singular nouns to the plural nouns? But children, before that, do you remember we have used like certain rules are there for the creating plural form based on their endings. Now here every word ending with check, and based on it we will give its plural form. So shall we start? Church. Church is ending with ch, means it takes an es. So churches. Leaf, the word is ending with f, so it takes an ves. So leaves. Country, it's ending with an y, so the words ending with y take an ies. Countries. Foot, so here foot takes what? Foots? No, it is an irregular plural noun. It takes feet, like how child, children, woman, women. Yes. Sandwich, so we have already done a word ending with ch, so it takes an es. Sandwiches. Box, a words ending with x also take an es. Boxes. Yes, children. Now let us check with cattle and scissors. So do they take cattles? And already scissors is s only, no? Why adding another s? Yes, children, these both have no singular form. They are used in their plural only. So like scissors is plural only, it is used in plural. For whether it's a singular or plural, you say cattle. So furniture, the next one. Now what is furniture? Table, chairs, yes, desk, sofa set, all this is furniture. Now you don't count them, whether they are one or two or they are many, it is called as furniture. So there is no plural form. You use it only in the singular form. Measles. Now already this is in plural form. It's a kind of disease. So it's already in plural form, but it is used as singular. Yes, aircraft. So how you change it to plural? Do you say aircrafts? No, we do that mistake of changing it, giving an s to it and making it plural aircrafts. But no, aircraft is aircraft for both singular and plural. There is no change in the plural form, like sheep, sheep, deer, deer. Yes, children, hope I'm clear with this concept also of singular and plural nouns. Let's go to the next concept. The quantifiers or the countable and uncountable nouns. It's very easy, no? Countable. Nouns which can be counted are called countable nouns. And nouns that cannot be counted are called uncountable nouns. Usually we say a pen, an egg, but when it comes to uncountable, we cannot say a milk, a sand, an oil, isn't it? We add certain words before them so that they can be counted like the countable nouns. A cup of coffee, a glass of water, a bag of wheat. So we can count now how many our bags, 3 bags of wheat or 3 bags of rice, anything we can count now. So shall we do an exercise to test how we understood these countable and uncountable nouns? Is given now here. Fill in the blanks with correct words from the box. There are bowl, loaves, items, cans, coat, sack. So shall we fill the blanks? A dash of olive oil. So here the others don't take. It is understood the first word, a bowl of olive oil. A dash of paint. A coat of paint. We say, no, sometimes I painted the room with single coat or a double coat, you say, no. So that's why a coat of paint. A sack of rice, 5 cans of apple juice, 3 loaves of bread, several items of luggage. Yes, children? Hope you're clear with the quantifiers too. How to use before and uncountable nouns to make it countable. Let's go to the next concept, possessive nouns. Now we use the possessive form of the noun to rewrite each of a group of words. So what is actually a possessive? How we use it? An apostrophe S is used to show belongingness or relationship between one thing and another. And we use apostrophe S to singular to show possession, and to the plural we add the apostrophe after S. So let us check with some examples. The nest of the bird. Now always consider the second word or the second noun into consideration when you are making it the possessive and adding an apostrophe. So the nest of the bird. So what do you say? The bird's nest. And so once just check. Let me finish off with all this. Yeah. Now the nest of the bird. The bird's nest. So as the bird is singular, you are placing the apostrophe before S. Now next one, the stables of the horses. Now the second noun, the horses, it is plural. So what did I tell you? If the word is plural, we need to add the apostrophe after S. See, check. The horses stables. So the apostrophe is placed after S. Yes, I'm clear. If it is singular, the apostrophe is added before S. And if it is plural, the apostrophe is added after S. Yes. The cover of the book. What do you write off? The book's cover? No, children. We should not say the book's cover. We have to write as the cover of the book only. I will tell you the reason why. Because we usually don't use the possessive form for inanimate things. Yes, which cannot move. Now let's check the next one. The uniforms of the nurses. Now again let us check the second noun, the nurses. It is again plural. So where do we place the apostrophe? After S. The nurses' uniforms. Yes, we place the apostrophe after S. The bags of children. Now here you are in a dilemma. Yes. Now children is plural noun. It is not having an S. What to do? It is an irregular plural form. Yes. So for an irregular plural form, you add an apostrophe and then S. Yes. See, the children's bags. So whenever you come across an irregular plural form like the men, women, children, you have to use an apostrophe and then S. That is, you'll use an apostrophe before yes. Children, I hope I'm clear with all the concepts and you could understand all the concepts very clearly of chapter 2 nouns. Please practice from your grammar book or worksheets which are available. And I'm just suggesting you few websites where you can check for worksheets and practice like esltower.com, englishclub.com, kidspages.com. You can go through these websites and you can attempt the tests which are conducted online, or you can download those worksheets and take a print of them. Yes, children, prepare well, as all the questions are MCQs, that is multiple choice questions, which are going to test your logical thinking. All the best and thank you.